Then when you come over here, these are all different style roller shades.
Just some of the examples here at Connecticut Lighting.
Just some, absolutely. If you have a window, we can cover it.
Cool. All right, so let's talk about the process now, because Connecticut Lighting will actually come to your house.
We do. So what we do is typically, a lot of people don't know that we have shades. So, we're just starting to really get out there and advertise that we have it. But so what we do is we reach out to our installer. Our installer will come out, and they will come out with books, as well as they'll come out and measure. They'll go through the whole consultation, and then they'll get back with us, and we'll put a quote together. We'll get it to you, and then we'll deliver the product, or get it to you, or the installer will bring it to you, and we'll install it.
Okay, and it's affordable.
Absolutely.
Todd, I thought you were throwing shade at me at the beginning of the segment, but apparently Connecticut Lighting has a lot of shades.
We do, and actually window shading is becoming a major category for us, probably one of the fastest growing categories this year.
Do you mind if I wear my shades to get my shades?
You can wear your shades wherever you want.
Why, thank you.